I'm happy to be here to celebrate what our Supreme Court has done for the last 12 years. And it's a good thing that our Supreme Court has decided to introspect and reflect, even as they usher themselves into teenage. Because now they are 12, so they are entering teenage, and the responsibilities and the experiences of teenage will obviously visit their experience. And therefore, and that is on a light note, I'm very careful, Your Excellency, because I am an officer of the court, so I'm very careful what I say. I don't want to be accused later of saying that the Supreme Court is entering teenage in future. Your Excellency, allow me to say two quick things before I invite you. The first one is to appreciate what our Supreme Court has done to create formidable jurisprudence on major public interest issues and major public matters of public and national importance. In the short time the Supreme Court of Kenya has existed, the jurisprudence has been quite groundbreaking, and on that front, I think it will be unfair for any assessor to actually fault the performance of the Supreme Court. To deliver the public good called justice, of course, the court has to do that through its jurisprudence and through the decisions they make. The court has also done very well in terms of the infrastructure, the software, the technology bit. And among the arms of government and the agencies of government, I think the judiciary is ahead of the rest of us. I remember my Lord Chief Justice Maraga when we were confronted with the predicament of COVID, issued certain rules, which we now call the Maraga rules, practice rules, which actually made justice, faster, more efficient, more convenient, even if we were all locked down by this public health emergency called COVID. And even after COVID lapsed, it appears that the way of the future in the administration of justice will be through the virtual courts and making sure we spend little time or as less time as possible in physical engagements in courtrooms. So again, on the issue of technology and the software for delivering the jurisprudence or delivering justice, the Supreme Court has done a good job.